Good morning, dear students. Today we'll continue the same chapter number 2, that is factors and multiples. And moving forward, the topic which I have taken today is factors and multiples itself. So first of all, factors. What is a factor? Suppose this 105, it is multiplied by 1 into 7 into 5 into 3, and that is 105. Now what are the factors of these? Factors of these, you can say that these are those numbers by which it can be divided exactly without leaving a remainder, or it is a number that comes in that particular table. Or if you want to say, you can say that if two or more numbers are multiplied together, each of the numbers is a factor. Correct. So as I have taken the example 105, so 101 into 7 into 5 into 3. Now what are the factors of these? The factors will be 1, 3, 3. How 3? 1 is a factor of every number. Correct. How 3? So 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Correct. So these all are the factors of these numbers. Correct. I hope it is clear to you all. Now what are the properties of factors? 1 is a factor of every number. Just now I have told you. Every factor of a number divides the number exactly. This also I told you. Every factor of a number divides the number exactly without leaving any remainder, and remainder will be 0. So next is the number of factors of a number is finite. The number of factors, these are the factors. Correct. This is finite. Finite means you can count them. They don't end endlessly. They don't extend themselves in that way that you can't count them. You can count them how many factors are there. Correct. Now the next is multiples. What is a multiple? The product of any two numbers is a multiple of each of the two numbers. What? Just look at the example. 4 into 3 is equals to 12. So here 12 is a multiple of 4 and 3 both. Suppose I give you another example. 7 8 is a 56. Correct. So 7 and 8 both are the multiples of 56. They both are the multiples. Correct. Now properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. 1 8 is 8. Correct. Exactly every number is a multiple of 1. Just vice versa of this property only. Third is the number of multiples of any number is infinite. Now the multiples are infinite. It can be multiplied by any number and you can get the same number as the answer. This is infinite. Infinite means there can be so many. Correct. Now odd numbers. What are odd numbers? These topics all of you all have done it earlier also. Odd numbers are the numbers which are divisible, which are not divisible by 2 or not the multiples of 2. Correct. They don't comes in the table of 2. So these are these numbers 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 and so on. What are even numbers? Even numbers are those numbers which are the multiples of 2 and which are divisible by 2. They are called even numbers. For example 2 4 6 8 so on. Correct. I hope these two topics are clear to all. So I am not giving you so much today because this is little bit new for you all. So I want all of you to write down all these properties and all odd and even number, although you have done it many times. But these factors and multiples, please try to understand them very properly from your books and note down all these points in your notebooks. And tomorrow I'll explain you the division properties of the numbers. Means which number is divisible by 2, what are its rules and so on. And I hope you all are doing your assignment work properly. Please all of you students be punctual, be regular. Please complete your work time. Surely I am going to check your notebooks when the school will reopen. Thank you all.